When you start out 3D printing, it can become overwhelming trying to find the best models for selling. It can actually become a job in itself. At some point, you're going to need to take a break. So finding the right games to print for yourself is a fun way to not only enjoy free access to a myriad of games, but also share them with your friends. We have found that there are numerous downloads from Thingiverse, Thangs, Makers Lab, and Cults 3D to get started. So there's no excuse to not have a little fun with your 3D printer. It's rare to find a hobby that can't be complemented with something 3D printed. You can print full games that keep you engaged for hours. You can also print accessories for your existing games to add a boost of flavor and interest. Since we're children of the 70s and 80s, a good old-fashioned game such as Battleship brings tons of fun while taking us back to our childhood.
Miss 8. Bam.
Ooh.
G3.
Okay.
Another favorite, yet popular game to enjoy is chess. While some of us just don't have the patience to learn, some of us like Clay can sit and play for hours. However, Sean is getting better because he hired a professional chess tutor so he can beat Clay one day. If that's too complex for you, maybe tic-tac-toe would be a good choice. It's a quick print, and like chess, no assembly is required.
Oh, jeepers.
Our last, yet favorite 3D printed game from Makers Lab is Connect 4. We got caught up in printing things to sell and finally broke down and printed this one for ourselves. And boy, are we glad we did. It brings a nice twist to an already fun game for all ages. See what I did there? On a print like this, we found that silks and metallics slip better against each other than regular or basic PLA. If you have had success with regular PLA, please let us know in the comments what you did to make it slide well. Otherwise, there are so many more game and accessory choices out there, so please let us know some of your favorites. We might just feature more of these on the channel. We are growing at a steady rate, and we thank you for all of your support. If you've gained any inspiration or ideas, please consider subscribing and liking this video. If there's anything you wish to see from us in the future, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Happy gaming!